This was a private account. This is how I followed him without sending a request. This was another private Instagram account. This is after getting into its followers list without sending a request. So if you want to follow a person on Instagram without sending a request, you need to do only one thing, and that is you must keep watching this entire video without skipping a single second, because if you skip this video in between, this is not gonna work, and at the end of this video you will not have any right to complain that this trick is not working if you skip this video in between. So let's get started. You first of all have to go to the account of the person that you want to follow without sending the request. For example, this is the person I want to follow without sending her a request. Now we will do this thing in a total of 3 steps. The very first step is you have to remember the username of the person who you want to follow without sending the request. You can write this username somewhere, or you can even remember in your brain. The second step is you have to take a screenshot of this profile of the person you want to follow without sending the request. So we are done with 2 steps. Now let's move to the final step, which will let us follow this account. So you have to go to your profile again, and after that you have to tap on these 3 lines available at the top right corner of your screen. Now it doesn't matter whether you are on iPhone or Android, the trick works the same on both of the devices. So after tapping on the 3 lines, you have to choose the settings and privacy option, which is the first option in this list. So after going to the settings and privacy, here you have to scroll down and scroll more, and you have to scroll to the end, and here under more info and support you get the option help. So you have to tap on help, and on the next page you will be popped up with these 6 options, and from here you have to choose the very first one, which is report a problem. If you get popped up with this thing, you have to select report problem without shaking. From this screen you have to go with the second option here, which is don't include and continue. Now this is the most crucial step here. You have to type the same thing that I'm writing, so let's go. You have to type in here, hi Instagram team, I have been using your Instagram application for 4 years. Now for you can type the duration you have been using the Instagram for. For me it was 4 years. I want to view the photos of a private Instagram account. I have sent him a follow request, but he is not accepting because I think he has left his account permanently and it has not been activated for a long period of time. As he is my friend in real life, so kindly let me get into his account, as I am the only right one to watch her private account photos. And next you have to type his username is, and here you have to type in the username of the person that you want to follow without sending the request. That's why I had asked you to remember the username, which is this. And next you have to tap on this upload button here for uploading the screenshot that we had taken. And now when the screenshot has been uploaded, next you have to tap this send button for sending the request, and you are done. Now this is the only possible way for getting into the followers list of someone without sending a request. They will respond within 48 hours, but if they are not responding, there is not any other way for following someone without sending a request. If that trick doesn't work, the only remaining way is to sending a follow request. But hopefully they will respond within 48 hours and you will be added into the followers list of this person. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments, and also tell me in the comments what happened with your case.